Hawi rin. May hawi naman din.
First number 5 and one for Fed. With the football, go good. Rebound by number 8.
Isang minuto.
Karanda.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Time out. Bye-bye.
Time out po, ang baybayin.
49 seconds.
1929. Kaya yan, bakit tumama bukas? So, kapalapit na lang kami. Kahit subukan niya,
Okay, back to the ball game. There remain 49 seconds. Forty-five seconds. Number 8, second to play. It's a power shot.
Oh!
It's a clean back. 8 seconds on the shot. 5 seconds shot. Nakakuha ng foul for committed on number 17. Second to number 17, the penalty.
Nandiyan na po. Naghang po ang ating live kanina. We're back po. Ensayo lateral is back. First game nga yung masaya. Mayoro.
20 seconds.
Next game ay Marilag yata, Takaputing Kahoy.
Oh, sa team na.
Tama ba?
Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And the first up of the score 31-19. Okay, this game is brought to us by Team Service Comor, headed by Honorable Mayor Kuya Ryobi Morbe and the Samdam Bayan, headed by Vice Mayor Tagasara and the SB member. Honorable Consular Dari Sampato, Honorable Consular Edward Aguilar, Honorable Consular Alvin Altura, Honorable Consular Sani Aquino, Honorable Consular Joey Galicia, Honorable Consular Joas Rivera, Honorable Consular Dennis Hernandez, and Honorable Consular Ling Novan Singh, and SK Federation President Arlea Mulato, and Vocal Pastor Eric Rivera.
Shoutout daw po kay Esther Valencia.
from Christian Leo Ramirez. Grabe ka na, Mr. JB Manoy.
Okay, back to the ball game for the third quarter of possession. Bye-bye. Depensa kayo, mayroon. Depensa.
Bola po ng barangay. Bye-bye.
Fire slogan. Yes, sir, two points.
Low scoring ball game tayo.
Maling pass. Foul committed to number 4. First to number 4. And the first team foul. Oh, still. Halanda. To number 8. Yes, sir. Good points.
9 minutes.
Malibang, set to play. To number 8. Basket! Basket comes, foul committed on number 8. Second to number 8, second team foul. Bottom shot. 34. Official score 34-23. Karandang setting the play. So good. Maling pass ngayon, bring down clock. 23. Same goal man, same goal. Yes, sir, 2 points. Karanda. Brenyosa, to import. Brenyosa, drop pass. Space. Binalaya. Parsogan. With the football. Basket.
Nice.
Basket counts from committed on number 44.
Sipag naman ang mga playerang may uro. Gandang putball.
First is number 44 and first team foul. Manibas, number 44, set to play. Barcelona. Number 8. Nakakuha ng foul, ball committed on number 1. First and number 1.
Shoutout po sa 162 viewers.
And the second team foul.
Nadugo ang ilong.
Medics.
Nadugo ang ilong.
Upo muna ito, yung upo.
Duguan ng import. Na ilog. Dali ang ilog. Duguan ng import.
Klasiko ng daya. Ay,
Siko. Ano sakay?
Yes, sir, the whites.
Medyo may tama po ang import ng Mayuro. Nasiko ni Indaya sa ilong.
Jason.
Ano pa po kay Miss April B. Balera. Nanonood daw sa cultural. Happy viewing po. Happy viewing po, Miss April Balera. Shoutout daw kay pare mo ay sabi ni Christian Leo Ramirez.
Subdivision.
Ano po? Nandun na po yung medics. Ginagamot na po.
Karanda na yung kulit na po. Karanda pa rin. Karanda pa rin!
Yan. Down to 6-point lead.
Put back to it! Brinyosa, brindo na po.
Tira. Ay. Kumukonekta na naman po ang 3 points. Outside shooting nila. Ito na naman yung matay na outside shooting. Kumukonekta na. Bigay sa
8
inyo.
seconds on the shot.
5 minutes. Kalate.
Passive.
It's about to be the number 4. Second number 4 and 13 ball.
Shout out Mr. Alfred Margo, ang MVP ng Bataan sa Nuwaan. Shout out daw. Yung Sir John Leonard Pangaliban. Shout out. Yun, nabagsakan, nasio.
Bob with the number 17. Third, the number 17. Substitution, balik.
Shoutout na po kay Paring Pito. Mabarik daw. Talaga riyan. Shoutout po sa inyo. Happy birthday po. John Leonard Panganiban. Ka-shout na. Shoutout na sa iyo. Para Gino Kagimbal. Bahagi naman. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Shoutout, Boss Larry Kasilag. Happy viewing.
Number 8. Drop pass.
Nahulog pa.
Yes, sir. 2 points.
Sorry po.
Breñosa.
Ay, sayang.
Robert. 10 seconds on the shot. It's a clean one. Good. Yes, sir. 2 points.
Up to 9 points ulit. 9 points ulit. 9 points.
Nilobo niya ulit. Kalabangan ng Barangay Baybayin.
A shot.
Fires up the challenge, so good. To the ball, number 2. To number 8.
And one.
Pass and guns about committed on number 30. Timeout, Mayuro.
This timeout is brought to you by
Third, the number 13. Tatlo ka na.
sa Montesa Escort. Kulin and Kyrie, Wanton Mami. JKM Car Wash. Wellcare, Purified Water Drink Refilling Station. And Amalis Kitchenette. Maraming thank you po sa walang sawang support. 3 minutes and 31 seconds sa ating third quarter. Shoutout daw sa mga taga-Baybayin, taga-Mayuro. Enjoy watching po. Happy viewing. Shoutout daw po kay Dion Rojas from Piolo, Aguado. Happy viewing po. Bonus free throw. Bay Rojas. Shoutout Mr. Nigel Prince. Cavite. Isang pawili naman dyan, idol.
Karanta, setting the play. Breñosa. Karanta. Number. Same goal, Ryan. Same goal.
Import na Euros back. $11-point lead, Baybayin.
Listing na.
Ay!
Okay. Yes, sir. No points.
10-0 run. Baybayin. Balik sa 3 lang kalamangan.
Fires open. With the putback. Yes, sir. No points. Number 8. Fires open. Lays up the hook. With the putback. Yes, sir. No points.
Down to single digit ulit. 9-point lead. Ay! Yun na naman!
Number 8, drop pass to number 16. Yes, sir, no points.
Ay, bigay sa import.
Aranda setting the play. 14 on the shot. 10 seconds on the shot.
Brinyosa. Sana.
Fires of it. 50 seconds.
Sarap daw po kay Ramram. Sabi ni Ruel.
Substitution.
Koreano. Sarap daw po kay Christian Galleta. From Yuli. Iloha. Ay, hindi ako yun. Yung katabi ko yun. Coach Will, hindi ako yun. Yung katabi ko yun. Bila sa likod.
Five seconds on the shot.
Shoutout po kay Justin
24 seconds shot back by
Justin Banog. Rampang Naniban, Angelica.
Substitution. 27 seconds.
Short. Nakaman ng tira yun. Kitang-kita.
15 seconds. Remaining time. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
And the third period.
And in the third quarter, is the score 50-39.
Meron po, Mr. Piolo Aguado.
Kalamangan ng barangay.
Shoutout po, happy viewing sa 183 viewers. May kilambing po. Follow and like po and share ng ating live stream at page. Maraming thank you po. Last and final quarter tayo. Sino ang magiging dalawang talo? Magiging dalawang panalo.
Okay, back to the ball game for the board and Panan Bill, the Black Ponies.
Up to the ball game.
Teodoro Shari, 2 points. Balik pass. Oh, still.
Intercepted by import. Easy 2 points. Time out, bye-bye.
Timeout. Bye-bye.
Quick 4-0 run by Mayoro.
Official score 50-43.
9 minutes and 24 seconds. Ating fourth quarter. Kayang-kaya pa yan.
Tatlo pa.
Itong 3 points. Yan, magandang gabi din po.
Okay, back to the ball game. Time remaining 9 minutes, 24 seconds.
Isang magandang gabi. Shoutout sa inyo, Kapitan Obet Salcedo ng Bagong Puok sa Batangas. Happy viewing po. Out of bounds. Mayuro ball. And then, same ball. Bye-bye. Pero po kay Icon Gutierrez, Balmes. Laban daw Mayuro.
For so good, to the ball point, karantang ngayon. Rito pa po. Pass play.
Nice!
Yes, sir!
Hindi mo na. 9 minutes. Siyam na minutes.
Kalamangan. Barangay Baybayin.
Rara ng Mayuro. Wala.
It's a hard shot.
Ito na, makakabol ng Mayuro.
Lays out the good. Number 1, Brenda Cabal, Lentay. Lays out the good. Karanda kayo, Brenda Cabal. Yung nagmamadali, si Karanda.
Bigyan siya.
Cross up the room, strap pass. Info, walking on the shot.
Na shot.
Far so good. Rebound by number 16 to number 1. And Daya setting the play. It's about to be the number 29 pushing up. First number 29 and the first team bomb.
Meron ako kay Emmanuel Jr. First free throw. 7 minutes and 57 seconds. Good ulit. Harap, Mr. JJ Brinyosa. Brinyosa. Malayo. Puta ang tira yan. Balikan na isa. Grabe ang tira yan. Balik sa 10.
Karanda.
Nice.
Barcelona. Good. Yes, sir. Good one.
Grabe po. Lumawi ang baybay. 7-0 run din. Balik sa 12.
Sila po, kalamakan ng barangay Baybayin. Nalobo na ulit.
Traveling.
Traveling violation.
Kanya-kanya gaming.
Time out. Tayo.
Shout out sa 200 viewers. Happy viewing po. May kilambing po. May po ng page. Yan po po kay Alvin Brinyosa at Kuya John Paul Vera. Sabi ni Kian Justin Vera.
Good. 14 seconds on the shot. 10 seconds on the shot. 5 seconds to shot.
So yun po, huwag po kayo tumawag. Nawawala ang live. 12 pa rin, 12 pa na naman.
40 seconds on the shot. Ramos. Money pass. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds on the shot. Hindi na dapat sa rin. Isang segundo tayo. Isang segundo para tumira. Naagaw na.
Ay, lago.
Mister. Lays up no good.
Takaw. Okay, agaw din. Easy, 2 points. By
Yes sir, no points.
Real Santos. Import ng baybayin.
Tarandang, setting the play. It's a 4 shot. 10 seconds on the shot.
Foul.
Yes sir, no points. Four minutes and 20 seconds. Good.
Hindaya.
Yes sir, no points on number 1.
Ang ganda naman nun.
Easy points on number 8. Maligwang, Ramos. And Daniel.
3 minutes and 50 seconds. 3
seconds.
minuto at 45 segundo.
Yes sir, no points.
3 minuto at kalahati. Uy, stepping.
Oh, it's a backcourt violation. Or no what that?
Official score 51.
Shoutout daw po kay Cyrene Cruzada.
10 po, Kalamang Barangay Baybayin.
Happy viewing po.
Yes sir, no points.
Wow.
Foul committed to number 4.
3 minuto at 5
Third is number
segundo.
4, second team foul.
3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Malalapit na po. Dalawa na lang para
Ay, easy 2 points.
Yes sir, no points.
Sorry, may camera. Sorry. 3 minuto.
Barangay Baybayin.
Okay. Warning on import for delaying the game.
Wala pong Kalamangan ha. Balik sa Dog.
Talaga.
Pinihit, pinilit. Cheres.
Brinyosa.
So good. Win the blue back. Foul from behind, foul committed on number
2 minutes and 41 seconds. Tumatawag eh.
Sarado sa pula.
First is number 23, the first team foul.
Nakupal noon. Naglalag eh.
Nakikita mo naman yung sino.
Easy, 2 points.
Easy to win, so many points.
Pangalan ay... Pangalan niya ito.
Barcelona.
Nice.
Back over.
2 minutes and 10 seconds. Easy 2 points again. By import.
Yes, sir. 2 points. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to us by Honorable Mayor Kuya Yobi Morbe.
This 2 minutes is brought to you by Amal's Kitchenette. JKM Car Wash. Well cared, purify water.
Forces of Chat.
Kamontes sa esports in Kulin Kairi. 1 month. Ano po, mga sponsor.
Oh, still. It's about minute number 4.
1 minute and 29 seconds.
1 minute and 20.
Warning from the start of minute number 4.
Maraming salamat sa pahabol, Mr. EJ Malaloan.
Official score 57.
Thank you sa 10 star. Happy viewing po. Maraming salamat sa star. Yun o. Hey! Happy viewing daw sa referee yun.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ayun, nagyayaya na referee oh. Barik na daw.
1 minute and 25 seconds. Kaya pa din.
Yes, sir. No points.
12.
Jersey number 44.
1 minute and 15 seconds.
Seryoso.
40 seconds on the shot clock. Fire so good.
Ang ganda naman oh.
Yes, sir. No points.
Drive.
Sa minuto.
55 seconds.
50 seconds.
Oh. Isang sayo naman dyan.
Sumatayo sila naman yung
Report, report.
5 seconds on the shot clock. It's about a minute on number 26.
Pinaglaruan. 35 segundo. 35 seconds. Oh, pinakapogi daw si Diaz. Ano ba yung referee? Referee Diaz.
Oh.
Tablay, unang free throw.
Tablay. Ikot pa rin po. Kalamangan ng Barangay Bali. 10 points.
Shoutout po, mga taga-barangay Santa Cruz. Kay Alan Cruz. Brokel. Nice.
Oh, sayang. Foul. Free throw.
Allen
Ball
Cruzat.
minute number 44.
Orwell. Shoutout po.
Second number 44.
Barangay Santa Cruz.
Second team ball.
Hindi na po na-uwi ang mga viewers dahil
Ay, nahulog. Kung kailan binasta yung tira. 25 segundo. 24 seconds.
24.6.
7. 24 segundo.
23. 20.
20 seconds.
19. 18. 16.
Last 40 seconds. 10 seconds.
9.3. Okay, ball game na po.
5 seconds.
Maraming thank you po.
Final score 69-60. Kamay, shake hands, guys, shake hands. Maraming salamat.